Hello class, this is Karen from Karen's English Classroom. Welcome. Please subscribe and press like. Today we're going to talk about common prepositions. So these are prepositions that we use a lot every day. And I have a young bear here to help me out with this lesson. Okay? So, common prepositions, locations. The first one is at. So the bear is at school. So we'll write that down. The bear is at school. Okay, so at is my preposition. He's at school. Now, if somebody calls my bear and says, "Hey, where are you?" he can say, "I am at school." But if I want to know exactly where Mr. Bear is, then I would say, he's in. The bear is in the classroom. Okay, so the location is in. The bear is in the classroom. Yes, he's at school. General, he's at school. He's at the mall, but he's in the classroom. If someone calls a bear and says, "Hey, where are you?" Say, "I'm at the mall." I'm at the mall. But where? Oh, I'm in the store. I'm in Target. I'm in JCPenney's. Okay? I'm in Macy's. So in, kind of think of inside. Okay. On, the bear is on the chair. He's on the chair. Okay? On. Okay, so the bear is on the chair. On the chair. Okay, now, above. Above. So the bear is now above the chair. The bear is above the chair. On the chair, he's sitting down. Above, the chair is here. He's higher, he's up here. He's above. Okay. Circle above. Okay, now behind. Okay, the bear. Move my chair. He's behind the chair. On the chair, above the chair, behind the chair. Behind. Now, between, okay? So here's Mr. Bear, and I have some of his friends, Mr. Dog and Mr. Whale, okay? So if Mr. Dog is over here, Mr. Whale is here, the bear is between. Between, okay? You could also say in the middle. So we have the dog here, whale here. Mr. Bear is between. Between the dog and the whale. You can also say in the middle of. And you can do this with people, students, okay? There's someone in the middle and a person here and a person here. So 3 people, 1 in the middle. Okay, next to. So I can take my dog. The dog is next to the bear. Next to. If I put him over here, next to. The same. It doesn't change. Okay? So the dog is next to the bear. All right, and the last one is under. So if I take my bear and I put him under the chair, under. The bear is under the chair. Okay, so under. Okay, class, very good. So let's practice. Okay, so the bear is at school. Where is the bear? The bear is at school. Okay, where is the bear? The bear is inside the classroom. The bear is inside the classroom. On. The bear is on the chair. He's sitting on the chair. The bear is on the chair. Now the bear is above the chair. The bear is above the chair. The bear is behind the chair. The bear is behind the chair. Between. The bear is between the dog and the whale. The bear is between the dog and the whale. Now, it can also be in the middle of. The bear is in the middle of the dog and the whale. Next to. The dog is next to the bear. The dog, doesn't matter what side, next to the bear. The dog is next to the bear. And the last one, under. Okay, under. The bear is under the chair. The bear is under the chair. Okay, very good, class. So you've learned some common prepositions: at, in, on, above, behind, between, next to, and under. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.